Welcome friends. In this video I will do technical analysis of WazirX WRX coin and I will tell you my next target regarding next targets of WazirX coin. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel. For more informative content and very useful information, links are in this video's description. And please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. And if you are new, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. And if you want to trade on WazirX on Binance Coin, and if you want to open Binance exchange account or KuCoin exchange account, then please go to in this video's description and comment section where you can get the link of Binance exchange. This is the Binance exchange link. This is the KuCoin exchange link. This is the Hotbit exchange link, and this is the Bybit exchange links. Create your account with these links. This will support me and my channel. Let's dive into the content. WazirX is currently at $1.97, and after hitting $2.18, it is now in downtrend. And after hitting $1.91, it is struggling to hold this zone. The support zone is at $1.90. This is one, and I think it have to hold this zone. Once it holds this zone, in that case, our first target will be $2.1, and definitely it can hit these targets. And our second target will be, let me please show you. In that case, our second target will be this. This is the horizontal resistance, which is at $2.10. Once WazirX break this, in that case, this will be our second target, $2.32. You can say our first target is $2.10 and our second target is $2.32. And if it goes down, then $1.90 is the major support for the BNB and major support for the WazirX coin, and the second major support is at $1.75. It have to hold these support areas. If WazirX hold these areas, then definitely it will go up. Let me please show you some indicators. This is EMA ribbon, and how beautifully WazirX break this EMA ribbon, and it is now above from this EMA ribbon, and it is at $1.96 right now. This EMA ribbon is currently acting as a support zone for the WazirX right now. And let me please show you the volume. There is very less volume in this chart, and we want big volume towers like this. Otherwise, WazirX will move sideways for some hours, maybe some days. And let me please hide this. Let me please show you the VPVR. VPVR of the WazirX is at $1.99. This is the big area. Big tower volume tower is at $1.99. You can say $2 and $1.95, then $1.84, then $1.80, $2.8, $2.08, and $2.13. These are the areas where VPVR towers are showing that there are big orders of buying and selling of WazirX coin. We have to focus this area, which is very important. This area is very important, $1.90 and $1.74. WazirX should have, sorry for that. WazirX should have to hold this zone, $1.90 and $1.75, in order to move towards upside. If WazirX hold these two support zones, in that case, it is ready to hit first target is $2.10, second target $2.32, and maybe after that it will hit $2.60 or $2.70. But we have to focus on these areas, these support zones. If WazirX hold these zones, $1.90 and $1.75, in that case, price of the WazirX will move towards upside. Otherwise, we may see some sideways action or price will go up otherwise. Let me please hide this VPVR, and let me please show you the RSI. It was the RSI was at 75, and after hitting 75, it is now at 54, which is also a good sign. Anything above 50 is good sign in RSI, and if RSI below to 40 and 30, in that case price of the WazirX coin will go down in speedy way. Otherwise it will move sideways or it will move towards upside and price will go up, I think so. This is my technical analysis, friends. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. I will try my best to update you on WazirX coin, Binance Exchange coin, and BTC coin and Chainlink coin. I will try my best to update these on these coin on daily basis, I think so. So please, if you are lover of these coins, then please subscribe my channel. And if you want to join Binance Exchange, KuCoin Exchange, Hotbit Exchange and Bybit Exchange, then please go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section where you can get the link of Binance Exchange. This is Binance Exchange link, this is KuCoin Exchange link, this is Hotbit Exchange link, and this is Bybit Exchange links. Create your new accounts with these links. This will support my channel and always keep supporting me. Thanks for the watching. Take care.